Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know the top 30 things added to Minecraft 1.21.11. Number 1. Nautilus mob added to ocean biomes. Number 2. Warm ocean Nautilus variants with coral visuals. Number 3. Zombie Nautilus variant used by drowned mobs. Number 4. Baby Nautilus, bred using pufferfish. Next up, taming and riding Nautilus. It includes underwater dash ability. Next up, Nautilus breathing effect is added while riding. There's also a Nautilus shell drop. There's Nautilus armor now, from copper to netherite, found in shipwrecks and ocean ruins. There's a new spear weapon. You can get it from wood to netherite. Spear attack types include quick strike and charge dash attack. Spear works with elytra, horses, and camels for high damage combat. A new spear enchantment includes lunge, 3 levels dash based, but it gives you a hanger cost. Spears accept standard enchantments such as sharpness, fire aspect, etc. Piglins, zombie piglins, and husks can now wield golden spears. Spears generate in structures such as villages, ocean ruins, bastions, and cities. There's a new desert mob, the parched skeleton. It fires weakness arrows, but you're safe in the daylight. The zombie husk camel mob has been added. It's ridden by the parched mob and a spear wielding husk. After defeating riders, you can get a rideable husk camel. To attract husk camels, you use a rabbit's foot, but you cannot breed them. Zombie horseman mobs can now spawn naturally at night. Zombie horses are usable in survival with the updated darker textures. Zombie horses burn in daylight unless armored. Horses, camels, mules, donkeys, etc. can now swim. Netherite horse armor has been added, found in structures. There's a new graphic option, anisotropic filtering for smoother textures. There's improved rendering performance. Parrots can also now mimic new mob sounds such as the Nautilus, zombie horse, husk camel, and parched. There's a netherite armor balance change. The defense values have been adjusted. There's a new achievement added, and there's also a new panoramic main menu background. Let us know down in the comments which is your favorite feature. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.